Hey everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin is scam and the retail sale also the whales FOMO. Okay, so the first I have some chart about the Bitcoin divided by Dow Jones. This is when the retail sell here because they are afraid, and the whales FOMO, the whales buy the dip and pump. Also in here by the dip and pump, and in here by the dip and pump. Now we are struggling in this line, similar like what happening in the 2019 in here, and then we dump. So in here it's possible that we are dumb, but I'm not saying that we are dumb tomorrow or maybe next week, I don't know, but maybe we have the small pump before the dump. And why we have the small pump before the dump, I will talk later. But remember, stay tuned to this video until the end. And also I want to tell you that if you have the perfect time in here, you have 100 110x from your profit from here to here, or if you change to percentage, it's 1100k 11k in here, 1000k, I mean 11,000k in here, the percentage if you buy the dip in 2000 in November 20 until sell in the 2021. That's why this is very important, why you need to buy the dip. And I want to tell you that there is possibility we are crashing in here. Why? Because the market is very bad. But as I told you that maybe we have the small pump. Look, whenever we hit this one, we have to pump. Whenever we have this one, we have to pump. Now, and in here, in the March, we have to make a pump. Almost in the 2 weeks, make a pump. After that, we are going downtrend again. And the next is, if we can hold this line, so around the 37k, we can hold this line, maybe we can back to around the 42, 43, or maybe at the max 45k before we are done. And why I'm saying that, look, we never have 5 red in row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We already have 5 red in a row. And in here, look, it's just 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And you can also find the previous one. Also, there is no 5. This is 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, there is always 1, 2, 3, 4. So we never have the 5 red in row. But now, look, in here we already have 5 red in a row. Maybe this week we have the green candle, or maybe 2 weeks green candle before we are continue crashing. And the risk of the Bitcoin, you need to remember why people say the Bitcoin is scam. First, Dow Jones. Dow Jones, if it is crash going to here, back to this or purple line, it's 10% decreasing. 10% decreasing, remember. And the Bitcoin back to this purple line is decreasing by 30%. And the altcoin, this is the total tree, so you can use the altcoin in here for the total tree, that you can see that back to purple line, it's another, sorry, it's another 43%. So if it is back to 43% decreasing, because just the Dow Jones back by 9% in here. Okay, so remember, Dow Jones is less risk than the Bitcoin is less risk than the altcoin. But even if it's crash, it's not a scam. People say it's scam because they don't know how to trading in the crypto, right? And the next is about the Bitcoin USD divided by Dow Jones. The people sell in here is a very stressed. Why? Because the retail is FOMO, pump in here, buy in here, pump in here. That's why if you can find that the price is going to dip in here, if just only if back to here, this is a very good chance you to buy the dip. Okay, and you need to remember that price can also back to the purple line in here, maybe just retest like this one and then pump again is possible, maybe retest in here and pump again is still possible. But for me that in short term, I'm certain there is a one pump or maybe the small pump, but the general idea after this pump, I think if we just can hold a few, maybe the few weeks before we continue to going downtrend. If you very believe that this is the very strong line, people who said this is the very strong line, almost from the July 2018 until the November 2018, and then after that there are people, this is strong line, boom, going to here, and then V-sharp recovery. In here also V-sharp recovery. That's why if the price still going down, we still have the V-sharp recovery. If you buy the top, it's your bet, but remember, don't ever lose your hope. Why? The whales just waiting to hear and pump. That's why the whales just waiting to hear and pump. Now we are just waiting when the pump and when the dump. Now the people is still waiting the dump first. Okay, that's why just cheerful, and remember, even if the price is going down, it's okay. What you can do, you just buy the dip, top up your money, and remember, don't use your main money, because investment, you never know, you need to use your spare money, because maybe your profit can be long term, maybe 1 year from now. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Thank you.